To my wonderful listeners, One Family TV, wala mutanali nan kotenke. Mbadingulu annal lamoyni journalist kebala de ikafu me yoko pa modu bojang me yalon ko ay interview soto me yalon ko wala keta anin president Adama Barrow interview ninti me yalon ko mba natilali nan hakilo mira de kuma kan me yalon ko ay wala fo oto mbadingulu kuma kan dobe je me yalon ko ni bafola e nyantalo nal ko ibe kuma kan me yalon ko ibe wala fo kande oto nal lamoyni interview wala me yalon ko wala soto da pa modu bojang anin nin ngote ma me yalon ko wala president Adama Barrow de oto mbadingol annani lamayani hakilula mbadingol kana alamo anin jusola de
bari membe keri nka fo wala nyama badingolo afele bi ning na honorable me yalon ko bi atele oppositional nyaton kaya Gambia pour nyin kamala ke lead to the grand coalition bi fanang ni wole kacha soto jang mi yalon ko lafita se fota bade mal kan bade mo be dawda wala mo honorable Adama Barrow. Assalamu alaikum Adama.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
Adama follow mbe konton na tumala men na Gambian college jiko soto opposition olu bang anin Gambia dingolu pour que tambindi yetambi opposition olu be nyaato mba fole ko congratulations.
Thank you very much Tamodu ni barata tin kontanto.
Alhamdulillah. Adama follow lafeta nyinin lafte minke wolom nyinti ko tumala min na fele tambindi coalition o nyaato. Adama mune be kele la kuma follow ti Gambia dingolu be bayri binte nyinin kala mune be kala ila kumoti UDP bar mune be kele ila kalmolti Gambia dingol mumebe
wa modu nakal na solo ndo ala ken la bafala alhamdulillah rabbil alamin alhamdulillah rabbil alamin alhamdulillah rabbil alamin ya ken min ala ten tusinya saba
tade
yali dole dara partiol be dia mo kan men tala fo sayi tan le lulu pour yeni ko so ci fa so man kena woto nato alitel nata nyato ka soto karikili ko karifula kono wonna ta soto Gambia kono o ku balto mo hippi mo tari ko ando tari ko men mo gandan ko be le do ni ka kan no an meta mo be ko an kaf na ka do be nyoboro ni so me andila to partiol be nata la sartol lan bi ko baye bangoje na rakafu ala yakini na hande tanni woto mara tentu balesi woto bafla Gambia ko le al mindara al yakata kato menke o ni diwale ani de ka Gambia de direction kenne andu Gambia preta fa bombele ali wala ni tambi andu inshallah be digiri ka ko be kenwa
Adama kate fayo man jamfana siata lokun saba tilidantan wole tutaji Adama yemul jikinyadi le soto konyinan maral jawo mi alon ko wole be Gambia dingol bebe wur kam pour maralo e boy kunto yem jikinyadi le soto anin taman serolo bi alon ko setandino molla ko ning December sita doron falengo be kala
najiko soto baake men najiko ni wala kambe ye kambe won je dawo da aka sembole dial ye kambe won je dawo da ame sense muta ka so ne andal wodo ni ko buja ken da kambe won ka ke
wodam to
wodo kambe won a significant da baake de a important da baake pour falin jo men en take because we are getting the more directly so we don't make what change and the more definite direction kimita and the coming fana protocol in the Carola I know when kafunyomba we are getting the jamasi wo jamaa fana experience jamaa le ko no fere jamaa le ko no me ala ko fere kendo no ni fara dio ni shi salam dio sababu no and what I'm doing ko na ndifa ngadango ya ile kilitan ni araso beke wote to kono hani dimmi o men sanji sai wala sanji wo aka fa ko be jila da jila mo bi ko woto mo ta ko man ko ken mi dati na on ka fa ala ya dimmi be motor village la fo kanto la big motor village non la sa de ka fa santumbo ni afo mo dina gambe bu ka ba defo ba sa to ni to mo no fosi do but go there people are liking more the party pour faire enjoy WhatsApp group on video le monde mo ke to ala ko na la bani ko na WhatsApp lambo information aka so
wala mtonya
ando akil man bitu abdu fa ni online radio men ke way mo ko di back mo men be kering ka information so ka nya wo do ko le dina non ko component me ko ta nyola ka nyin ko ni ka mo jiki be ka ko ni ke la andi sila mo men bi san sa fa ka mo sila mo ni bi ko tak
sila wonti je ko ten
donc je ko le do wala ka mo je le ka si ni si ko me ka dua ki ni ko ambi boke ma bo fana worka de diato ka fu diato e diake ma bo ti je ka diaji ke pour ko ni ke no o ni o ko si fa je to
ade
esa lon ka foko pare o kitale man yo ki la ki o ni ki ya be
adama bari ni nata jibe fanan nyatan ko dole be laare jere bari folo molo yem min mira wolom nyindi ko Gambia opposition o bebe lala nyokanne fulate sotola sako saba pour nyin kamala ili yaya jamme ben bari a fele sain opposition o mini yalon ko wolle siata wolbe lata nyokan bari hani bi fulabe karala iman la faltolu kam folo yamira nyillu sabo atekela no karte tinyati opposition kafubali ebam
hani sain be nyame ko e miro ni be da bari joyi mabbo mel bora jendel te bula la hani sain be kacala le niaje ni asoto no rebi kacale asa mo ma mi no asikeno
ade
mel to ko hani sain ni be kacala le andum de jikirin ka foka de keno la dalilol me yakin min ko foe
ade
na yinka fo amunta ko min mengira president transitional period ko tamade fanyi saba den la mor nga fo le ka fo protocol ni man na fi na carrière jam fa
wala mtonya
bare ala len to mo ay nati no responsibility ta moto momo la fa la political career ni jamfa no sanji sabo tabita level playing field luar kendol belari environment is there hila political ke ya tra ite bata o bata soto la tinga mo
wala diata ko be hadi
woto e baje la ko yo wato sita wol bele chance do pour que continuer que la political career ni continue andum do itala mo me ala ko idama training ko sanu ka transitional period lo ite la fere career soto mo transitional period ni reste do mi o bata e continuer la protocol woto ngi mo be jamu dale am be dikil ne fana be kafula mo wala
indi amolu dati taliban foy man dati folo
diamon mi fo do dal ko andul la famille be fana jamaa be dal sebbo wolto
wala be je
jamaa be dal barko be wolto jamaa be dane jamaa ala ka jere fasa woto khamisa nati amol kono
hade
ka fole amabila no ala kul wole do tanya ibe dunna ko ngoro ngi tanka
hade
e man dum ko fanka so be kala woto janni wo be kala
hade
e dum ko ngoro e tanka kulo wena sembe ira ko continent
wala mtonya
wala yindi la ko
adama na kuma laba mbe nyinin kala minna wolo nyinte ko afele sain mol min bebe tubab du jam mo bebe containering bari kontano ko la fana mo fana bebe na mo bebe kamfari ne fana min keta Aissatou Touré anin honorable Mama Kande mune ya sabu hani bi itol me dabulaje wala hani bi iman saferol ke pour nyin kamala process me yalon ko wala keta Gambia wonene manke Gambia demokrasi la karola wo munya nya fa baleti bare hani bi itolu fele imete kumandi ke congratulate bare fulan jam fanan imang dia modu ke kafo mbelala coalition o kanne andi continue tale be la meeting wala yamira ibe mune fola gambian ko le woto mol min yalon ko be kamfare
men de diaspora min gambian ko nala be kamfare ko to ma foro halsa ko ni nan to tawa do tamani hakilo kamfa ko le sof no ke no ko fengo fe ni sof no konta ni le diaspora do ko sof Porque de lo que principio ji ade andum de continuer la wala sana de continuer la wala pour la yoni de na ke bi dakili ade woto ji ko be war li bakere ko hadi say ko de la ba na wonyale de kapula albe be kapula
assalamu alaikum
inshallah be ji wala ba
are you optimistic ko nyi don mini alon ko
optimistic ka ba kala
Fellow citizens and friends of the Gambia, I wish to take this opportunity as President-elect to allay your fears and concern. On the first day of December, the Gambia held presidential election. On the second day of December, the results were declared according to law. The incumbent candidate of the GDC called me to congratulate me for my victory. The outgoing president told me in a simple, clear language that the results were the verdict of the people and God. The gesture was applauded at home and abroad. The Gambia earned a respectable place in the international committee. Everybody applauded the action of the outgoing president. This earned the outgoing president and my humble self as incoming president a place in the Gambia and world history. Yesterday, the outgoing president issued a statement on the national media to reject the results of the election, declare it as invalid and promise to hold fresh election. I wish to inform you that the outgoing president has no constitutional authority to reject the result of the election and order for fresh election to be held. The IEC is the only competent authority to announce the results of election and declare a winner. It was already done so, and I am now the president-elect. President Jammeh is the outgoing president. He is to hand over executive powers to me when his term expires in January. I wish to call on all Gambians to go about their business. We have impressed the world for delivering a free and fair and credible election. I am advising supporters of the coalition to celebrate the victory with discipline and maturity and prepare themselves for inauguration in January after the end of the term of the outgoing president. In the interim, I opened up a channel of communication to try to convince him to facilitate a smooth transfer of executive power in the supreme interest of this country. I told him in our telephone conversation that we were both born in 1965. We are the children of the independent. It will be a honor to have a smooth transfer of executive power for the first time in the history done by two citizens who were born in the year Gambia became independent. I would want him to join me as President of the Second Republic, along with ex-President Jawara, the President of the First Republic, in January, to commemorate the birth of the Third Republic when I assume office. Let him know that leaders come and go. Sooner or later, I must also go. This is a fact that all of us must accept that all times act in the supreme interest of the Gambia. I urge him to change his current position and accept the verdict of the people in good faith for the sake of the Gambia, our homeland, whose people deserve peace and freedom and prosperity. Thank you.